Hai and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurizatul Amira binti Abdul Rahim and I would like to talk about our case study assignment, which is a future 5G electronic communication in education. Education, both for individuals and communities, is commonly believed to be a fundamental resource. Indeed, basic education in most countries is now perceived not only as a right but also as a responsibility. Typically, governments are expected to ensure access to basic education, while citizens are also required by law to reach up to a certain basic level of education. Thus, we may indeed say that most people should go to school or to be educated. But right now, in the pandemic period, having education would seem to be a great feat. As of 10th April 2020, according to UNESCO statistics, 91.3% of the world's student population, which means 1.6 billion children and youth, has been hit by school closures in 188 countries due to the pandemic of COVID-19. In Malaysia, 8 million students nationwide have been affected by school closures. Therefore, in order to help students in terms of education, this is the moment when digital preparedness is crucial. When conducting online classes to ensure quality learning, educational institutions have responded. This is also to keep teachers from having to make time for substitute classes, and once the schools are allowed to open, they hurry through syllabuses. In the 21st century, revolutions in communication and information technology have led to massive innovations in educational technologies. 5G is the fifth generation of digital cellular wireless technology, supporting a large amount of data traffic and a huge number of wireless connections. There are different quality of service QoS requirements for different data traffic. The aim of 5G mobile networks is to address the limitation of previous cellular standards, for example 2G, 3G, and 4G, and to be the potential key enabler for the future Internet of Things (IoT). The application of the latest technology must be integrated into the curriculum in order to achieve higher order thinking skills. Thus, this case study reviews some potential impacts of 5G on educational technology through the experiences of teachers and students in the classroom that creates a more stimulating learning from environment.
Hi, my name is Xin. So I'm going to talk about the reason why we are doing this case study. As we know, since the outbreak of COVID-19, schools and universities shut down all over the world. The coronavirus spreads very easily and it's very hard to detect, so it's expected to stay around with us for the incoming 18 months or beyond. Therefore, online learning has now applied in our education, from the primary education to the higher education. So nowadays, internet connection has become our biggest concern since the e-learning is a web-based thing. In this case study, we are going to review the impact of 5G communication to the education in our country. So there are three main objectives we are doing this case study. The first one is to study the impact of 5G technology in education. Second one is to identify the challenges of using 5G communication in the education. Finally, we want to show the importance of 5G in education, like how it can help students and lecturers in the context of study in this new pandemic era of the world.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amira Shafira binti Rizal and I will explain about the discussion part. As we know, 5G is the 5th generation mobile network that been implemented to our country right now. It is a new global wireless standard after we use 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-gig speed data speed, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experience and connect new industries. For example, with 5G, you can access new and improved experience including near instant access to cloud service, multiplayer cloud gaming, shopping with augmented reality, and real-time video translation and collaboration. There are several new mobile phones available that are designed to support 5G, and multiple carriers across the world support the 5G wireless network. As the 5G rollout timeline progresses, more smartphone and carrier subscription will become available as 5G technology and 5G compatible devices becoming more mainstream. So, in order to improve our education learning nowadays, we need to improve our communication device among students to 5G wireless network so that all students got the same speed to deliver information between students and lecturers. We also could prevent the lagging connection due to the heavy rain or any other disturbance during online classes, and all the input learning can be gained smoothly even with a very long communication. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Azrizat bin Zainal Abidin and I will present my part, which is a solution. When it comes to the 5G, there are already plenty of applications in manufacturing, media, safety management, and healthcare. Education is just scratching the surface of what's possible in the classroom. Here is what teachers and educators can expect. First, immersive lessons with AR and VR. Mixed reality content and video require high bandwidth and low latency to perform optimally. 4G struggles to maintain the traffic required for AR and VR experiences, but with 5G, experiences will be seamless. Students may tour the human body or visit other planets in VR. With AR, they can explore concepts through touch, pinching, and zooming through the layers as fast as they think it. Second, smart classroom IoT saves teachers time. Setting up devices and gathering feedback in class takes time, even when everything works perfectly. With the Internet of Things IoT on 5G, teachers can automatically log in as soon as they enter the classroom. Menial administrative tasks will be automated and students can deliver feedback digitally. Higher bandwidth will help seniors remain strong throughout entire lectures and presentations, preventing occasional drop connections and derailing focus. Next is download videos in seconds. Gen Z loves videos and it makes sense when YouTube is also their preferred educational resource. Downloading a high-definition video on 4G can take minutes to an hour. With 5G, downloading a feature-length movie will take seconds, maybe less according to NBC News. Second last is greater assistance for students with special needs. Children with special needs may require more frequent or full-time assistance from teachers. There are robot applications to help with problem solving, but they are not as responsive as the children they are designed to help. 5G will enable robots to full-time assistance and support teachers by responding immediately to help with learning exercises. 5, which is the last one, is more flexible learning. Every student's learning style and ability is different. 5G will help students to continue their education outside the classroom, delivering the same data speeds and responsiveness in the classroom to their phone or laptop. Regardless of distance or location, 5G empowers students to access the same information and exercises as their peers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amin Nasruddin bin Muhammad Jupri, A18KE0126. I will present the conclusion part. First, the dependability of the education sector on cloud solutions is increasing. The 5th generation technology will make the cloud tech smoother. Second, student information system that unifies the entire institute in a single platform and stores the endless data of students, teachers and other stakeholders will be able to offer faster services. Third, as it shifts to become more mobile compatible, 5G will help to make it easier to provide solutions in the user's hand. Fourth, future mobile technology will help us in accessing the data anywhere by using distributed cloud and mobile edge computing. Fifth, modern technologies have rapidly increased our capacity to know and do things and to communicate. Sixth, they allow us to transmit information quickly and widely, linking distant places and diverse areas of endeavor in productive new ways. 7. According to the situation, educators must be prepared for the course of the 4.0 industry revolution by leveraging on the 5th generation mobile technology or 5G, which will be commercially used by 2021. 8. Overall, the university, polytechnic, community college or any other higher education center are the system developer and responsible for the provisions of facilities and infrastructure. Meanwhile, the lecturers are responsible for encouraging active students to use this type of technology. Lastly, 4G will be history and 5G will unveil the mystery. Thank you, that's all from me.